You've likely heard this sound before and felt the resulting pit in your stomach as you realize your car isn't going to start and you're about to have a really bad day. A similar feeling is felt when you are managing a critical patient and attempt to engage the power driver on your intraosseous device and nothing. Sadly, the repercussions of this can potentially be far more devastating. As medics, we do our best to maintain our equipment in the best possible condition. But Murphy gets a vote, and things like environment, exposure, and battery capabilities are factors beyond our control. This is why at SAM, we have developed an I/O driver that eliminates maintenance, batteries, and the extra weight they bring to the table. Never again do you have to hold your breath when pulling the trigger on a power driver, hoping that it will work. You can establish I/O access with confidence while increasing your tactile feedback, ensuring optimal placement and patient outcome. The SAM I/O is the tool you may not know you needed, but you won't want to do without once you've tried it. Thanks for joining us on this installment of SAM60. Please let us know if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in an upcoming SAM60. We look forward to hearing from you.